a quick one. So here, I'll detail how to reset home screen on iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and you want to reset your iPhone home screen, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Then once you open the settings app on your iPhone, you just need to scroll down, locate and click on general. Once you selected general, scroll down the page, locate and click on transfer or reset iPhone. So click on that. Here you have two options available here, reset and then erase all content and settings. So click on reset. Once you click on reset, you have few options available here, which include reset home screen layout. Then for you to reset your home screen layout on your iPhone, just go ahead and click on that. Once you click on, I'm going to see what that says reset home screen. Then you should say your home screen will be reset to default iPhone layout. Downloaded app will appear automatically after the first home screen page and app folder will be removed. So hidden app will remain hidden. So for you to reset your home screen layout on your iPhone, just go ahead and click on reset home screen. Then once you click on that, you can now hit the back button. Then go to your iPhone home screen, then you should see your home screen layout reset. See that? So that is exactly how to reset home screen layout in iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.